So, you want to break free and become a top-tier freelancer? Step 1. Head straight to the Toptal website and find that alluring Apply Now button. Don't be shy. Click it. This is your first move. Next, brace yourself for the initial application form. Be prepared to provide your basic info, your name, email, and what kind of skills you bring to the table. Make your profile shine, starting with a clear and concise resume. Now, let's talk about skipping that pesky waitlist. The secret? Ace the interview process. Toptal will test your skills. Think beyond your resume. Focus on your expertise and experience. The first stage is the online skills assessment, where you may need to think on your feet. Then comes the live screening with a Toptal screener. Be ready to prove your abilities and attention to details. Prepare for technical questions relating to your skills. For the technical screen, be able to provide the solutions that you'd use to solve any project that your interviewer is going to present to you. After passing this step, you are going to get a project where you will complete and submit. Remember, a strong application highlighting your skills and experience is key. The Toptal process challenges those in the industry to push harder. That's it. With a bit of preparation and solid skills, you're well on your way to a Toptal account. Like and subscribe.